everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I am going to make Pav Bhaji, which is Mumbai street style Pav Bhaji recipe. Simple to make and it will taste very delicious. You will need 1 cauliflower, green peas. Now get it into boiling. Add 1/2 spoon turmeric powder. Add peas. Mix it and add peas to boil it. Now take capsicum. You will need 2 capsicums. Cut into small slices. Take small 2 tomatoes, 6 chilies, 2 onions. Now that it is boiled, we have taken it aside. Now mash it completely. Until it gets very soft. One cup of oil. Shallow fry the onions. Keep on medium heat. Until the onions get golden brown, you have to cook it. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Now add capsicum. Keep mixing. Add green chilies which are chopped. Now we are making freshly made ginger garlic paste, which will give the taste better. Add tomatoes. Don't use the canned ones. This is the Pav Bhaji masala which I am using. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. And also add Pav Bhaji masala 2 spoons. Don't keep the gas in high flame, keep it on medium low flame. Add coriander powder 1 spoon. Now to cook properly, we will be adding little water. Now that the gravy is cooked, we will be adding mashed vegetables. Mix it and cook it well. It is about to get ready. Mix it. Take butter and add the small pieces of it. Now take coriander leaves and garnish it all over it. If you don't have Pav Bhaji masala, you can add garam masala. There is no problem in it. Okay, now it's ready. Now in a pan you have to add little butter to toast the buns, or it's also called pav. Don't overheat the buns. Sprinkle some chopped onions, coriander leaves and lemons. Thank you. Hope you like my recipe. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and please press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my videos. Thank you.